Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the demonstration on bird song classification using deep learning. In this project, based on the voice, the name of the bird will be predicted. We are inspired by the IEEE paper which is published in the year 2022 titled as Automated Bird Species Identification Using Audio Signal Processing and Neural Network. In DHS, we are developing a project with two techniques, one with Jupyter Notebook and another with Flask. Jupyter Notebook is basically a backend and Flask is a frontend. In Jupyter Notebook, we will load the data, we will do the pre-processing techniques, we will train the model, test the model, and finally we will save that model. This is how Jupyter Notebook look like. First, here we are going to import all the necessary libraries. After that, we are importing our data set. These are the different name of our data set is 200, 200, 200. It is equally divided. And for that, we are plotting one visualization. You can see here number of label versus number of records. It is all 200. For each bird, it consists of 200 records now. We are doing data normalization here. After data normalization, data splitting will be done. In data splitting, we will split our data set into X train, Y train, X test and Y test. After data splitting, we will apply algorithms one by one. Here we are using totally 4 algorithms. The first one is support vector classifier. Here we are building this support vector classifier model. After that, the model will done its prediction. As you can see, the accuracy of this support vector classifier is 94.28%, and this is the classification report for that particular algorithm, and this is the confusion matrix. Now we are going to consider second algorithm, that is ridge classifier. Here we are building our model and model is predicted. Coming for the result analysis part, it is giving 81.07 of accuracy, and this is how the classification report look like, and this is the confusion matrix. And the next algorithm is k-neighbors classifier. Here we are building that model. After building the model prediction is done. Coming for the accuracy of this k-neighbor classifier, it is giving 96% of accuracy, and this is the classification report of k-neighbor classifier, and this is the confusion matrix. Finally, we will save the 3 models here. After that, we are going with artificial neural network. We will build the model here. After building, this is the some model summary, how it will look like. And here we are training our model by giving 20 epochs. After that, we are plotting accuracy and loss plot graphs, and model prediction will be done here. It is in the probability, and it is compared with the true value. After comparing, finally we are getting for ANN model accuracy of 98.2%, and this is the classification report of ANN model, and this is the confusion matrix of ANN model. Finally, here we are comparing all the models. As you can see, ANN is giving more accuracy when compared to other models. This is about model training part. We will go for testing part now. In the testing, first we will import all the necessary libraries. and here we are loading the trained model which has given more accuracy. ANN is given more accuracy, that's why we are loading that particular model here. These are the class labels. After that we are giving one user input. After that here our user input is an audio file, that's why it is we are converting it into the numerical data. Here we are converting our data set one dimension into two dimension. After that we are doing the normalization and the result will be here. It is telling the audio file belongs to the class of archocephalus and it is giving the probability score of 99%. This is about the back end part. Now we will see how the front end will work. This is how the front end look like. First we need to enter our name and email ID. City and country, and we need to create one password. We need to register first. Then we have to give the same mail ID and password and we need to log in. After login, here you will see like this. We need to choose file. I am choosing one audio file and I am uploading there. And I will give predict. The model is saying that the voice belongs to the Bubo and it is giving the probability score of 95.3%. This is how the front end look like. In DHS Informatics, we are going to give the project to very reasonable price and help you until the last phase of your review. So that please contact us in 98451666723 and also with the other number 98866 You can also mail us on info@dhsinformatics.com. We also provide the quality report and we will do the installation support and we will explain the entire code along with the PPTs. For more details, you can WhatsApp us or you can walk into the office. If you like this video, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.